Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, in this channel, we will explain about e3d piping and equipments and how to model equipments, the piping in the working point of view. So we can start from here. This is the e3 software. So this is called as workspace. Whatever we work, it will come here in this workspace. Okay. Now we will start from here. This is save work button. This is the get work button, and this is undo, this is redo, and this is the toolbar that contains general equipment, piping, HVAC, cabling system, cable tray, structures, supports, design templates. So in which domain you want to work, you can select here and you can start work like that. So for example, I will select equipment here. So equipment tools all come here. Okay, if I want to work in piping, you have to select piping, and all piping will come here, all piping tools will come here. So one by one we can see. So we can start from here. This is the ribbon, so we can see home. In home in home we can see tool, copyright, paste, and the offsets, rotation, mirror, everything here into in home we can use in piping. Also in equipment it is general, this home tool is general, we can use for all. So here this editor, move, rotate, stretch, mirror, painter, and measure we can all use from home. If you come to view, this is the current view. If you have to select something, you can click here. This will shows the current view. And graphics, auto color, monochrome, copy, new, grid, like that, everything come. Also in tool, it will show displays like command bars. For example, if you want command bar, you can just click here. See, command bar will open here. Also message like that. So we need a model explorer when we start modeling. So if you want means you can click model explorer, it will come here. Okay, like that everything will come. So now we can start. Now we can start. Uh, sorry. Now we can see this general. If you want to create site means site, zone, standard, volume, sub volume, everything will come here. Also equipments. If you want to create equipments and nozzles and electrical related things, it will come under in equipment. Also in piping components and modifications, everything will come. Okay, so now we can see what is model explorer, which shows all the model what we have created and what we want to start create, everything will come under here. So it is like tree. If you want to create any models, it should be under site and under zone. For example, if you want to create any vessels, it should come under equipment zone. If you want to create piping, it should come under piping zone, like that. Like that hierarchy will come in model explorer. Okay, this is the main thing. You have to take care and you have to be keen on this. So model explorer is the very important thing. We have to check, we have to see before we starting model. Okay, now I will show you how to create site and how to create zones. Okay, I will delete this one, I don't want. So I want to create one site. So I will come general, see, create site. If you want to start any job, any work in e3d, you cannot make like that. You cannot start here making models. It should be everything under this hierarchy. We cannot make AutoCAD like that. If you want to draw any 2D model, 3D model, we can directly go to workspace and we can start work. But here in e3d or PDMS, you have to create one site first. So for example, I will show you, I will create one site. Okay, so I will keep the cursor here, be in model. So I will click site, create site it will come dialog box like this. So I will create one. So see, site site is project. Okay, I want to create one vessel, horizontal vessel. So now what I want to do is I want to create one zone for equipment. Vessels will come under equipment zone, right? So I want to create one zone. We'll create one zone here. That is equipment. I'll click OK. I want to create one horizontal vessel. Okay. So under zone, I created one equipment. For same like that, I want to create piping means I want to create one piping zone. We'll make piping. Enter. Okay. So piping also created. Now I need to create one horizontal vessel means I have to go to equipment here. See here. And I will go here. Equipment. I will name it as horizontal vessel. Here I did one thing. I keep space here between horizontal and vessel. In 3D model it will not take. So see I will enter here. See name must not contain spaces. So I can make any backslash or like that. And if you have the coordinates for the equipment for the horizontal vessel, you can enter the coordinates. Okay, it will go to that particular coordinate. If you don't have coordinate, no issue. Or else you can positioning here. If you want to position this horizontal vessel in the particular area, you can positioning by using this positioning tool. You can directly positioning there. Okay. So no, I don't want no, I don't have any coordinates, so I will make it. Simply I will click OK. In that there is I created on horizontal vessel. Okay. In that there is cylinder, there is dishes, like that it will come. There is cone like that. So I cannot create directly here. So I want to create one sub equipment. Under this equipment, I have to create sub equipment. So I will go here. I'll create one sub equipment. I will create body for cylinder. Sorry, body for cylinder, dishes, cones. Okay, I will create. Also in horizontal vessel there is some nozzles. So I want to create separate nozzle for separate nozzle. Okay, friends. This is what I did. See, friends. If you want to create any project, you have to create first site. You have to create site first. Then for equipment, for piping, you have to create zone separately. You created in zone, equipment zone. You have go to equipment. You have to create one equipment. Whatever you have reboiler, you have horizontal vessel, vertical vessel, you have columns, and you have pumps like that. Whatever you have, that is all come under equipment. Okay, so you have to click equipment and create whatever you want. Under that you have to create body and nozzles or a misc like that. Okay. Okay, friends. Now this one finish. Site, zone, equipment, sub equipment. You see here hierarchy will come under it like this. You cannot create equipment directly here. You have to create zone. For equipment, you have to create equipment. You have to create body or nozzles. In this, you can create directly. For example, you can create like that. But if you separate body three axis. You can make here y axis. Apply rotate. See here. If you want to make x axis, click x axis, make like this. Okay. Like that you can create cylinder. So next, make next. Okay. Next we need to create dishes. You see, this is here. Okay. So we want to create two dishes here and here. So no problem, we can make. Just click here. Diameter what we put for cylinder is same. I make 2000. Enter. Radius will be 150. The height will be I put 75. This is just for example, not accurate. I just put for only for example. So I create. So it is showing like that. Okay. See, use F11 for wireframe. See, it is created like that. So the dish is very small in height. So sorry, you can make here 150. Like that I make. Okay. So I want to keep this here, right? So what I have to do? I can make. I can move by command method. By for example, the cylinder is 5000, right? Now it is in center of the cylinder. Means it is in 2500. So I have to move east by 2500 here. I can put it here 2500. Enter. So it came here, right? It is. It came here. So now I want to rotate this. So you can go here and apply rotate. Change the axis. Now it is fixed in the cylinder. Now we can see in model. See, it comes like that. So like that you can create this. Now I click next. Okay. See, to reduce our time, to make more productivity, we cannot create this this here and making more time like that. So we need to reduce our time, right? So we can make copy paste here. Also we can make mirror also here. Okay. So example, I will show you the mirror method. I click this dish. So see, if you click here, it is be 2000. I will put example 150 and see the parameters. Is it will be 750. Create. So it is created. Can click F11. So it came here. I think we have no issue. So I want to keep it here, right? So what we have to do, go to command method, or here we can use. I will show you in command method. You have to move by east 500. So you can make again 500. Okay. So now you can rotate here, apply rotate. Every time you have to see and you have to rotate the model, you have to check in all ISO. Then only you can understand. So you have to rotate in just click right. Okay. Now you see we have entered some values. Okay. We have entered the diameter, that is okay. We have to enter. I will tell you another method by command. So click here, a double T means Q attributes. Now you can see here Y length is 150 and Z length we have to change to, just double click into Z length and just you make 1500. 1500. Also we can change here Y length also. It is very small, so I will change it for 300. Okay. So I will move down. Just click here by D. I make 750. Okay. Now you see here in working point of view, they will give the general arrangement drawings. You can list this all by using GA drawings. Now I am just modeling just roughly, so I will show you like this. Okay. Now I will see in model, it is come like this. Okay. If you want to move in east, you can click by east, just 200. Okay. So you can move. If you want to move upside, also you can move. You want to move upside, also you can move. Okay. This is the box or saddle we created here. So now I want to place another box here. What I have to do is I can click here and I can just copy and paste here. Okay, box 2, and I will just move by command method. By west I move the length of the cylinder is 5000, so I will move 3000. So now see, come there. It is not every time you are making model, you have can put Control S, save, or you can use. Okay. Now we created on horizontal vessel. So what we have to do is we need to create nozzles. So I will just, for example, I will. So go to equipment, create nozzle here. See, you have to name for the nozzle. I will make project P. Okay. So specification here. What I will select is ANSI nozzles. Okay, just for example, I will show you ANSI nozzle. And here rating will be 150 or 3. I will just keep 150. And the bore dia is, I'll keep 100, means 4 inch. Height will be 150. Temperature and these things all we don't need, so I will make create here. Okay, so I need to place nozzle here in dish, center of the dish. What I have to do is can use by positioning method here. Okay, I click here, this is the graphics. I will click graphics. Also here cursor, I will click graphics and cursor, and I will go to dish and click here. Just keep center of the dish and hold for 1 second and just leave. See, it is come here. Okay, nozzles come here, so I have to rotate this nozzle. Here I can rotate. I make 90, I make 180 x-axis. So it goes there. Okay, like that it goes there. Nozzle is there, so I can move little bit outside. So I can make by is 100. Why I am showing this? I want to show you command method, also this method, positioning method, every method. So I will show you like this. That's then only you can understand. Okay friends, this is like that we can create nozzles. So means now create nozzle, close this one, also close this one. I want to create nozzle here also. I want to create nozzle here also. So what I said, I just see friends, here I create a nozzle in body. Okay, so why means I have to show you why, how to migrate this nozzle into sub equipment. Okay, so nothing, this is not a big issue. So you have to click this nozzle here and put give ref, some values will come, reference value will come. So you have to select this sub equipment nozzle you selected. Now you have to click this, double click and remove this ref. Okay, remove this ref and click include and enter here. See, this nozzle from here is shifted to nozzle, sub nozzle. Okay, like that you can shift. Now you can make enter. See friends, now I want to make create nozzle here also, right? So I will click this nozzle and also I go to home, copy mirror, cursor, element, click this center of the cylinder, apply. See, retain created copies. So we have to retain this copies. Okay, so we have to click yes. Like that you can create, click cancel. Like that you can create one equipment nozzle. Okay friends, now this video we have seen how to create project, zone, equipments, zone piping, Also, we model one horizontal vessel, box, primitives, cylinder dishes, and nozzles. Okay, friends. Now I can end this video. In coming videos, I will show you some more nozzles in upper side and down side. Also, I will show you some basic things, and I will clear you, friends. Okay, friends. If you have any doubt, you can make comments in comment section. Also, support the channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, friends. Thank you.